Hey, what if I told you that just one click can let someone hack your webcam, track your location, and even take live photos of you without you knowing? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today, I'll show you how it actually happens. This is for educational awareness only. Let's begin. You're chilling. You get a message from a friend something like, Lulu anniversary offer, or click to win iPhone single quotes. It looks normal. You click it, but in the background, a hacker just gained access to your camera. Let's show you how. We open Kali Linux, log in with username and password, and go straight to the terminal. We're now opening a tool used only for awareness. Remember, this is not for illegal use. This is for educational demo only. Okay. The tool is ready. We select a theme, let's say festival. I type trial day. Hit enter. Wait 10 seconds. Boom, a phishing link is generated. Now imagine, I send this link to someone, they click it and it opens a simple website. It asks, who sent you this? They type anything, maybe Webforges. Looks like a normal promo page, but here's the trick. Suddenly, the browser asks for location access, then camera permission. If browser permissions are on your real camera, mic, and files are still exposed. Back on the hacker's terminal, we see a live map link, full location captured with IP address. I open the folder, and there it is. Live photos from the victim's webcam taken every 5 seconds. That's me. My face. My room. Why? Because I clicked one unknown link and gave permission blindly.
Now, let's talk VPN. People think VPN saves everything. But watch this. My VPN is on set to America. I click the same link, and boom. Hacker sees location as America. I switch VPN to Singapore, click again. Now it shows Singapore. But remember, VPN masks only the IP address. If browser permissions are on, your real camera, mic, and files are still exposed.
So what do we learn? Don't click unknown links even if sent by friends. Always check browser permissions, location, camera, mic, turn off unnecessary permissions by default. Use VPN wisely, not blindly, and finally, never give access unless you trust the website fully.
This is the first step in your digital safety journey. So subscribe to WebFugs now, because next I'm exposing how social media accounts, like Instagram and Facebook, can also be hacked with just a click. Stay aware. Stay protected. Let's build a safe digital future together.